New to Snapchat, this quick video show how to create new Snapchat ID easily. Watch till the end. First of all, you open the Snapchat app, then click the sign up option. Then here you enter your name, then click the continue option. After click it, here you enter date of birth, then click the continue option. Here you click again the continue option. So here you enter the strong password, then click the continue option. After click it, here you enter your email ID, again click the continue option, and then here you enter the phone number or click the skip option. So I click the skip option. Here you add 8 friends. So then click the skip option. Here you can see the skip option. So here you can see your Snapchat ID is created. So this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more Snapchat tips.